what's good? Welcome back to my channel. This is CJ and I'm back again. And you know when I'm back again, I'm going to ask you to subscribe. So please go and subscribe because I'm dropping a lot of videos to help you on your fitness journey. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an exercise ball. Okay, how to use an exercise ball. So I'm going to go for 5 exercises that you can do to use an exercise ball. Okay, whether you're at home, whether you're in the fitness studio, or whether you're in the gym, the exercise ball is not going to be a stranger to you no more because I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, so without much talking, let's get it. Alright guys, so the first workout that I'm going to show you is going to be an ab exercise. Basically we're going to get the exercise ball in between our feet, and what we're going to do, we're going to keep tension in our abs. Just going to open our hands here, and we're just going to come up and touch the exercise ball. This is a really good full body ab exercise that you can do, and we're just going to go through it just like that. Perfect. Okay, cool. Then we're going to go for another ab exercise. What we're going to do from here, we're just going to drop to the side and over. So just go over, move that leg, keep that core nice and tight, trying to keep your lower back on the mat, okay? Just over, drop it down, bring it back up. Excellent stuff. From here, we're going to leave the exercise ball on the mat. Our back is going to go on the ball, and what we're going to do, we're just going to come up. Exercise ball punches, this is. The ball is giving good support for our back, and it's a really effective workout for our abs. Excellent stuff. Next exercise I'm going to give you, this one is going to be a bit challenging, but it's going to be good. It's going to be a low plank, an elbow plank on the exercise ball. So we're just going to hold it there. And because it's not a flat surface, it's going to put a lot more pressure on our abs, forcing it to work even more. Excellent stuff. Perfect. Okay, so last exercise I'm going to show you, we're going to go back down to our mats. We're going to just get our ankles, right, the lower parts of our foot on the exercise ball. What we're going to do from here, we're going to come up, right? Instantly, as soon as we come up, our hamstrings are activated, right? And from here, we're just going to pull it in, roll it out. Excellent stuff. Keep your back off the ground, your lower back that is. We're just going to release, bring it in, close it. Really good hamstring exercise, guys. Excellent stuff. Woo! Okay, so that was a really quick video that you can do again at home, at the gym, at your fitness studio, using an exercise ball. Okay? If you want to see me do a full workout with an exercise ball, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you want to see. Okay? If you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more content like this, make sure to leave a thumbs up and most importantly, subscribe. Until next time, this is your boy CJ saying with peace, love and blessings. Let's get it.